AppSumo launched 10 new deals today. The first one is CrawlWP, which is an SEO plugin. The next one is Creem. Now this is for SaaS founders who want to manage their payments. Next we have FeedPlay, which is a content marketing tool. And Graphy is a course builder. Then we have Kvistly, which is an AI-powered quiz builder. And we have LazyLeadz, which is a lead gen finder. And Reap is a social media reel creation tool. Next, we have SEO Booster, and TasteWP.com is a development tool for WordPress. And the last tool that launched today is Wobb, which is a social media influencer search engine. I put all of these deals in my private Notion doc of the best and newest AppSumo deals and must-have SaaS tools for digital entrepreneurs. Now, if you want free access to this Notion doc, the only way you can grab access is by clicking the link in my description. Now, if you want to browse AppSumo instead, you can click on that second link in my description, which will take you to my custom landing page. Now, this was just updated with my most favorite AppSumo deals you can purchase right now. And I also included some of my most popular YouTube videos that you can watch right here on this page. Now, I'm going to briefly tell you about each of the 10 deals that launched today. But if you want to know my personal rankings, I rank them from best to worst, and you can check that out in the description below. First up is CrawlWP. So this is a WordPress SEO plugin, right? Now, if you are a website owner who wants faster indexing and better search engine rankings, then this could be a valuable tool for you because it can automatically notify search engines about new or updated content on your website. It can also track your SEO performance with Google Search Console, and it can also bulk submit pages for instant indexing. Now you can only grab 2 tiers here. The first tier gives you 5 sites, and the second tier gives you 10 sites. And this deal is tied to all future standard or pro plan updates. Next up is Creem. Now, this is a really cool looking website. So this is a tool that helps businesses accept payments from anywhere in the world without worrying about taxes or payment issues, okay? So if you sell any digital products and want an easy way to manage things like subscriptions, discounts, and sending files to customers instantly, then this could save you tons of time. And it even includes an assistant to help you quickly check sales, find customer details, and understand what's driving your revenue. You can grab up to 3 tiers. Keep in mind there are processing fees, okay? If you want lower processing fee, then you would need to get tier 3. And for that tier, you get all fees waived up to $10,000. And it's for one time, all right? Also keep in mind that this deal is not eligible for refunds. So just make sure you know that before you purchase. FeedPlay is a tool that lets you transform videos, podcasts, and other media into interactive guides. So if you create courses, share content online, or run a podcast and want to reach more people while keeping them engaged, then this tool could be a good one because it helps you add things like quizzes, forms, and buttons directly to your content. It also lets you transcribe, translate, and even dub your material in over 30 languages, making it super simple to connect with your audiences across the globe. Now, there are 5 tiers for this deal. Now, if you want access to all of the features like the agency branding kit reseller accounts, then you would need to get tier 4 or higher. But the custom domains will be available for tier 3. Now, Graphy is an online platform that helps you create and sell your courses. Now, if you're someone who wants to share your expertise and grow your audience, then this tool allows you to build lessons without videos. You can have PDFs, quizzes, and live sessions while letting you accept payments from anywhere in the world. You can also customize the look of your course website, securely deliver your content, and even launch mobile apps for your students. Now you can grab license tier 1 for $69 up to tier 4 for $500. Now keep in mind that this is not a lifetime deal. License tier 1 through tier 3 give you 1 year of access, and tier 4 gives you 2 years of access. But if you want all of the features of this deal, then you would need to get tier 3 or 4. Kvistly is a tool that helps you create fun and interactive quizzes really quickly. So if you're someone who wants to run training sessions, team building activities, or group events and wants to keep people focused and excited, this could be a really useful tool because it lets you add custom questions, track how people are doing, and even make things competitive with points betting and live leaderboards. This looks super easy to use, so you just share a link or a QR code and people can play right away from their phones or laptops without needing to sign up. You can grab license tier 1 for $59 and go up to tier 3 for $250. Now, if you want to have your own custom branding logo, then you would need to get license tier 3. And this deal is tied to all future basic plan updates. Now, LazyLeadz is a tool that uses AI to help you find contact information for businesses and people in any industry or city. So if you're someone who needs to grow your customer base or connect with local companies, this tool makes it easy to search for leads and get accurate details in a few seconds. Now, you can also connect it with apps you already use like spreadsheets or email platforms to organize and reach out to those leads without any extra hassle. And you can grab license tier 1 for $59. And you can go up to license tier 6 for $1,500. And tier 6 also gives you all of the features, including white labeling and unlimited leads. Now, you also get unlimited leads for tier 5 as well. Reap is a tool that lets you use AI to edit long videos into short clips for your social media. So if you create videos and need to quickly pull out the best moments, add captions that stand out, or make them look great on like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, then this tool can save you all of those hours editing yourself. You can upload a video, let it find the highlights, edit just by clicking on the text, and even schedule posts in one place. Now, this deal offers 1 year, 3 years, or lifetime access. So if you want lifetime, you would need to get tier 4 for $500. Now, all of the features unlock at license tier 2, but this only is the 1 year of access, so just keep that in mind. I probably wouldn't go for tier 1 because the upload and export quality is only 1080p, and I would definitely go for the 4K. Now, if you choose either 1 or 3 years of access, keep in mind that it does renew at the same price, which is really nice to know. Also, keep in mind that in terms of the refund period, it's only a 30-day refund window instead of 60 days. So I still think that's enough time for you to test out the tool and refund it if you don't really like it. SEO Booster is a tool that helps you improve your website's search engine visibility directly from WordPress, all right? So if you're someone who wants to see what keywords people use to find your site, fix broken links that frustrate visitors, and automatically add helpful internal links between pages, this could be a great tool for you. So it organizes all of the important data in one place so you can make quick updates and keep your site running smoothly without switching between different tools. Now you can grab up to license tier 4, and all the tiers are lifetime access, which is nice. Tier 4 also gives you unlimited sites that you could use this tool on, but regardless of which tier you get, you will get access to all of the features listed out here, which is really good. TasteWP.com is a tool that helps you set up WordPress websites instantly. All right, so if you're someone who wants to test ideas, show off designs, or create quick website setups without spending hours on technical steps, this tool makes it easy by giving you ready-to-use sites with plugins, themes, and settings already in place. You can even save your templates, connect your own domain, and safely test changes with staging sites, all while skipping the complicated setup process. Now, this is not a lifetime deal. It's only 1 year of access, so you can grab up to tier 10 for $590, and that still is 1 year of access. And you can use it for up to 30 websites. Now, tier 1 allows you to use it for 3 websites. And it's nice that regardless of which tier you get, it does renew at the same price. So I really think this setup is really great because you know exactly how much you will be paying every single year if you want to continue using this tool. Wobb is a platform that's designed to help you find and work with social media influencers. So if you're a business owner or a marketer that's trying to boost your brand, then this tool can save you time by letting you search through millions of influencers. You can send them invites, you can track campaign results, and securely handle payments all in this single tool. So it's really built to make running influencer campaigns simple and organized, so you can focus on growing your business with the help of influencers. Now, this is a lifetime deal, so you can grab up to license tier 6 for $1,249. Now, if you want unlimited, you'll need to get either tier 5 or tier 6. And if you want white labeling, then you would need to get tier 6. And this deal is tied to all future Pro and Unlimited plan updates. I went through these tools in alphabetical order, but if you want to know which ones are catching my eye and I'm really interested in grabbing, check out my ranking in the description.